How to clean your LifeWave X₂O light-infused water technology system. Remove the reservoir. Press the spring and remove sealing ring. Disassemble the valve. Place the spring in a safe place to keep dry. Clean each item with food-safe soap. Rinse and dry with lint-free cloth. Insert the valve into the spring. Push through reservoir bottom. Fit sealing ring inside. Slide out grate and tray. Rinse and wipe to remove buildup. Let dry before inserting. Reassemble components securely.